Well, here is a beautiful 2006 Chevrolet Corvette 3LT convertible. 40,000 miles on this car. Boy, this is a beauty, and it is priced to sell. You can check out the price and more beautiful photos right below this video in that link you see there. So, check out this car. Monterey Red on the exterior, Cashmere on the interior, Cashmere convertible top. And under that hood, 400 horsepower LS2 engine with 6-speed automatic paddle shift transmission. Factory features on this car include the $3,395 3LT Preferred Equipment Group. We always remind you this has heads-up display, memory package, tilt and telly, dual power heated sports seats with airbags, auto-dimming mirrors, compass, universal garage door transmitter, has that wonderful Bose CD, XM, MP3 stereo with in-dash CD changer, has a power top, F55 magnetic selective ride control, and Monterey Red tint coat upcharge, and those polished wheels look absolutely great. This car includes OnStar HID headlights, dual zone electronic climate control, fog lamps, keyless entry and start, power everything on this car, along with cruise control, ABS, traction control, and active handling. Best of all, this car comes with a clean Carfax, and you've already seen it's loaded with options. And this 2006 Chevrolet Corvette shows just 40,664 miles. It's in really good condition. The car's paint is in very good condition. Nice shine. Convertible top is very good, as are those factory polished wheels. Now, the interior of this car, as you can see, shows very good factory leather seats, steering wheel, and door panels, and very good center console. Now, the only addition to this car appears to be a set of Lloyd floor mats with that C6 logo embroidery. So give us a call today here at buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia at 770-414-5552. Hit the subscribe button here on our YouTube channel. Click click the notification button, and you'll be the first to see every new car that comes to our showroom floor. Again, we ship nationwide, much less expensive than you can imagine, and you can buy with confidence online here with buyavet.net. So give us a call today. We're buyavet.net in Atlanta, Georgia. This is a beautiful, beautiful car.